Are you frustrated with uneven heat transfers or burnt designs ruining your projects? Here are the 5 best heat press machines I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. YRYM HTT PFE Teflon Sheets. Let's kick things off with the YRYM HTT PFE Teflon Sheets. Priced at just $7.89, these non-stick sheets caught my attention because of their versatility and how they can protect your surfaces during heat pressing. If you want to keep your working area clean and avoid messy transfers, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These sheets can withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees Celsius, which means they won't warp or melt when you're working on those high heat projects. With over 7,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear people are finding value in them. Plus, they're reusable and tear-resistant, so you won't be constantly replacing them after each project. Imagine being able to use them for everything from t-shirts to mugs and even socks. Your crafting possibilities are practically endless. Now, some people complain that they could be a bit too large for smaller projects. Here's the thing though, you can easily cut them to any size you need, so it's not really a deal breaker unless you're only working on tiny crafts. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to create a variety of projects without the hassle of mess. Skip this one if you only press standard size t-shirts and don't need the extra versatility. At under $10, it's a steal for the protection and usability you get. Now, if the size flexibility of the YRYM sheets is something you like, but you want a full heat press machine, this next one might actually be even better for your crafting needs.
Product number 2, the Catalogy Mini Heat Press. The Catalogy Mini Heat Press, which retails for just $23.98, what caught my eye was its compact design. It's small enough to fit in your hand, making it perfect for on-the-go crafting. If you want something that's portable yet effective for smaller projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Catalogy Mini has 3 temperature settings, ranging from 284 degrees Fahrenheit to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives you the flexibility to work on different materials. It heats up quickly, reaching 284 degrees Fahrenheit in about 3 minutes, so you won't be waiting long to start your projects. Plus, the auto shutoff feature after 15 minutes of inactivity is a great safety measure, especially if you tend to forget to turn things off. Now, some users found the small heat plate a bit limiting for larger designs. Here's the thing though, if you primarily work on smaller items like hats, pillows, or even patches, you'll truly appreciate this mini press's precision. This is perfect for you if you enjoy crafting on the go or need a compact solution for smaller projects. Skip this one if you're planning to do larger designs, as it might frustrate you. For under $25, it's a great way to add a heat press to your toolkit without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are serious about heat transfer projects.
Product number 3. HTVRent Auto Heat Press. The HTVRent Auto Heat Press machine is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their heat transfer process. This machine automatically adjusts pressure based on the thickness of your project, which caught my attention right away. If you want to eliminate guesswork and ensure consistent results, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive here is that it can reach 320 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, which is incredibly fast compared to regular machines. Plus, with its auto release feature, you can set your project and walk away without worrying about burning it. The dual tube heating system ensures even heat distribution, which means no more patchy transfers. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear crafters are loving this upgrade. Now, some people mentioned it's a bit bulky for smaller workspaces. Here's the thing though. If you're serious about heat transfer and plan to take on larger projects, the size is a minor inconvenience compared to the efficiency it brings. This is perfect for you if you're looking to take your crafting to the next level and want something that can handle both small and large projects with ease. Skip this one if you're just starting out and need something more basic. For the price, it's an investment, but it pays off quickly with the time you save. Now, if you love the automation of the HTVRent but want something with even more features, wait until you see the next product.
Product number 4. Cricut EasyPress SE. The Cricut EasyPress SE, priced at $99. I was drawn to its ease of use and the reputation of the Cricut brand. If you are looking for a reliable heat press that offers consistent results without the complexity, this is worth a serious look.
What makes this machine shine is its ceramic-coated heat plate that delivers even heating across all surfaces, reaching up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial because uneven heat can lead to poor transfers. The Easy Press also features a user-friendly heat guide that gives you precise temperature and time settings, making it super beginner-friendly. With 700+ units sold last month, it's a popular choice among crafters. Some users did find the weight a bit cumbersome for prolonged use. Here's the thing. If you're mostly doing short projects, it won't be an issue, but if you plan to use it all day, you might want to take breaks. This is perfect for you if you want something that's trustworthy and easy to operate for various projects. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty machine for constant large-scale use. For under $100, it's a solid investment for getting started in heat transfer crafting. Now, if you think the Easy Press is great but want something even more advanced, the last product is a must-see.
Product number 5. HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2. The HTV Ront 2 retails for $349.99. This machine takes everything we loved about the first HTV Ront and amps it up with customizable pressure settings. If you want maximum control for your heat transfer projects, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable pressure feature lets you set it up to 80 kilograms, making it perfect for those tougher projects like hoodies or thicker materials. It heats up evenly and quickly, reaching 410 degrees Fahrenheit in just about 5 minutes. It also has that hands-free operation we loved from the previous model, which means you can multitask while it works. Plus, it's designed with an angle-adjustable screen for comfort, which is a nice touch for longer crafting sessions. Some users mentioned it's a bit on the pricey side. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your crafting and want a professional quality finish every time, the investment is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're running a small business or take your crafting seriously and want to produce high-quality work. Skip this one if you're just a casual crafter or on a tight budget. For what you get, it's a fantastic investment for serious creators.
To wrap it all up, we've seen some fantastic options today for heat presses. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the HTV Ront Auto Heat Press for its automation and efficiency, perfect for serious crafters. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Tshirt Mini Heat Press if you plan on working with larger designs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.